Welcome to Cutting Edge on Tour in South Greece, visiting one of our favorite restaurants where the owners have agreed to show us how they make their signature dish. Here it is, Ipokkeros, right on the beach. Follow me in the kitchen.
Here I am with Stathis, the owner of Ipokkeros.
Hi, Andrews.
And he's going to show us how they make their signature dish, which is beef in cast iron. And today it's a beautiful ribeye from Australia that you're going to do your magic to.
Yeah.
So we start out with some coarse sea salt to let it sweat out a little bit. It's actually nice marbling on that piece of beef there. It's going to be really good. Now we're going to let that rest, a couple of minutes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, perfect. In the meantime, he's putting cast iron over a gas burner because that has to get screaming hot while the beef is being prepared. And then the steak goes on a preheated grill to get a good sear on that. We'll take a couple of minutes on each side there. It's a big boy. Well, it certainly smells like it's time to turn it. And give it there a 45 so we get some nice sear marks. Let's see how it looks. Gorgeous sear marks on that steak there. That's gonna be some good eating. Time to get the steak off the grill. Goes on a small oven pan where we have also some oven roasted potatoes, roasted with olive oil, rosemary and salt. And to the potatoes we'll add a knob of butter into the oven where it's gonna rest for 4 minutes at 220 degrees. So we get a nice medium to medium rare end result. Now it's time for assembly. Coming in with a screaming hot cast iron here. Let me get out of the way because I don't want to burn myself. And on with some fresh onion, straight on the cast iron. And some chopped mushrooms. And that will get some butter and some garlic paste. Gives fantastic flavor. I can safely say that because we've tried it several times, that dish. And then comes the steak. Straight out of the oven. Oh, that looks fantastic already. And our potatoes. Ooh. And on for a nice presentation. And on goes the steak. And it gets finished off with a demi-glaze with 3 drops of truffle oil inside. Gorgeous.
Ready.
Perfect. Now we're gonna have a taste test. And I get to do the honors. So let's pour over some more of that beautiful demi-glaze sauce. Just makes everything so much better. And then let's see on the inside how we did. I'm gonna cut it straight down the middle here. Beautiful, look at that. That is just gorgeous. So now I get to taste it.
Lucky you.
Anybody else. It's fantastic. Perfect medium rare. Excellent.
It's a great recipe, we just
It's
love
fantastic, yeah. That's a magnificent way to serve a ribeye. The demi-glaze is perfect with a bit of truffle oil, onion and mushrooms. It's just fantastic.